Hi everyone, I'm Jodi and welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad that you're here. So today's haul is all about what is new at Sephora, and some things may not be new, but they were worth trying that I have not tried out yet. So if you have been wondering what is new at Sephora, if you're looking for a few new products just to sort of get you through the next couple months and see what maybe you've missed out on while you're getting kids back to school or off to college, whichever direction life has you going in. If it hasn't been in the direction of Sephora to see what's new, then I've got you covered. I have done a little bit of shopping all on my own. The receipt really looks super long, like I've done a lot of shopping, but I really haven't. If you cut it in half, minus all the surveys and stuff, it's still about $300 worth of stuff, and you know it does not take long to add up. But I have some good finds, I think, in terms of buys. So all of $300 fits in this size bag. But this will be probably the last time that I will show you the iconic Sephora bag, because finally here in Washington State, where I live, they have banned bags now, so which is for me a really good thing. I used to live in California, so used to taking my own bag to the grocery store. Didn't always think about it when I was heading to Sephora or Ulta or some of those other stores where I get stuff other than groceries, but I am all about it and super excited. The iconic black and white Sephora bag may not make an appearance any longer. I will be going full carry my own bag to the grocery store and now to the beauty supply store. So let's get into what we have going on today. So the first item that I picked up, and this is $22. It's the Lineage lip sleeping mask. And I got it in mixed berry. It comes in 6 flavors. There's 2 new flavors that are out right now. One is ginger snap, and then the other one is peppermint, obviously for the holidays. And it's said to provide extreme moisture lock technology on your lips throughout the night while you're sleeping. So anything that can work for me while I am resting, I'm all about it. It has this is mixed berry, and it smells fantastic. Now I have some lip gloss on, so I won't really be able to see what it does, but it smells really nice. I have a couple other lip products today, so we'll see what it looks like when we're all said and done, but it smells really good. I use Aquaphor in the morning. I put this on before I start to do my makeup so that it's moisturizing my lips as I'm getting ready, and then my lipstick has a nice moist surface to apply. I also use the Aquaphor in the evening before I go to bed. It's by my nightstand. I'm curious to see, this is like $7. Well, this bigger one's I think 12 versus 22, but we'll see. The smell is fantastic. So we'll see how it works in comparison to a more drugstore brand, but I'm excited to give it a try. I'm gonna get out my Neutrogena little wipes here because I have other products to try on, so I could be a hot mess before we're all finished. All right, the next product that I picked up, and this is not new probably, but this collaboration is somewhat new. I got the Hwy Leave-In conditioner. Now they have gone in collaboration with Byredo, which is a luxury European brand. They're really known for their scents, and this is said to have sort of a sweet musky scent to it, but it's a leave-in conditioner. It helps with detangling, which I have. Right now I use It's a 10, which is a drugstore brand. It works just fine. It's got 10 different products in it that help with everything from detangling to moisturizing, hydrating, as well as heat protectant. This Hwy says that it does go up to 450 degrees in heat protectant, so I'm excited to see how that works. I just have not used any of these products yet. I'm a huge Kerastase fan when it comes to my overall shampoo and conditioner, but again, that It's a 10 works really good from a drugstore perspective, and I have it in my travel bag as well as here in my vanity. Yeah, ooh. That smells really, really good, and it's not a very strong scent. I am sensitive to strong smells, so I'm curious to see how this does. It doesn't really have a strong smell though, but it's a fantastic smell. This Byredo, like I said, is a European luxury brand known for its scent. That's probably where that is coming from. This is called the Mojave Ghost, and Byredo is known for their Mojave scent, which is that musk, which is really, really good. This is $26 for 4.7 ounces. Really excited to use one of these brands. If you guys have used this brand before, leave me a comment in the comment section below this video. I'm curious to see what your take has been on this brand. So next we're gonna go into a dual purpose product, and I grabbed the iconic London Sheer Peach Blush. Now this comes in 5 shades, for 0.42 ounces. And the price point on this was, this is the iconic, $25. Ooh. It's pretty small, but it is said to be able to go on your lips as well as your blush, and that it's a hydrating and blends into your skin. So this is the Sheer Peach blush color. And I do love a creamy blush. As I age, I think it wears better. That's actually really pretty. It's pretty light and nude. Doesn't have a scent to it at all. You can probably see that color. It's really pretty. So if you can use this on your cheeks and on your lips, then that might not be a bad deal. We'll see if this works on now that my lips have been moisturizing with my lip sleeping mask. That would be terrific. And it goes on really smooth. It's definitely more of a nude, I would think, but yeah, it's a really pretty color. I have to say I really like it. You can see how it's gonna go on my skin. And it says you just blend it right into your skin and it gives you the type. It's definitely pretty light. Now again, this is the Sheer Peach. It's buildable and it comes in 5 shades. So some of the shades are a little bit darker. Yeah, that looks really pretty. So I'm excited about that one. And I like that. I love that it is a dual purpose, that you can use it for your cheeks as well as your lips. We are all about saving time. This is new by YSL and it's called New. It is the tinted, it's not a tinted moisturizer, it's a tinted foundation formula. It's called Bare Look Tint. It's $38 for 1 ounce. And as you know, I'm a huge YSL fan. I love their all-nighter foundation. It's a more heavy foundation, a thicker foundation for full coverage. This says it is a light to medium coverage, but it is very buildable and it comes in 20 shades. So a really nice shade range. It has a radiant finish, more of a dewy finish is what it's saying, and it has hyaluronic acid in it. So one of the reasons that you do pay more for YSL or some of the other brands, Dior as well, on the foundation is because it does incorporate skincare as well as your foundation and your beauty formulations. So there is a plus to that higher price point if you're interested in skincare in your foundation or some of your other beauty products. I'm really excited to use this. If you're going traveling and you just kind of want that dewy summer look or that not heavy full coverage foundation look, this is probably gonna be really nice. Now, I am getting married in a few weeks, so I'm gonna take this instead of my full coverage foundation. It's really dewy actually, so it feels very light. So this might be a really nice find for summer, or if you're just somebody that wants skincare in your foundation, but you don't want full coverage. It's buildable light to medium. So you may not get a full coverage out of it, but, and that's not 1 ounce isn't bad for $38, especially if it comes with some skincare involved, which is hyaluronic acid. I'm a huge YSL foundation fan, so I'm excited to try that. Really excited about that one. All right, on to the next one. I picked up this Color Fix Dreams. This is by Danessa Myricks, and this is touted to be eyes, cheeks, and lips, which I love. And it said that it comes in 4 different finishes. There's a matte finish, a foil finish, a cream finish, and a glaze finish. And I got the color Ballerina, and it comes in just a little tiny tube. So this Ballerina is a really pretty color. Let's go back to the lips. Take those off. This is the Ballerina is one of the metallic finishes, and it definitely has a metallic finish, which I'm not sure when I would wear metallic per se on my lips, but I would definitely wear metallic on my eyelids. So we're just gonna take a little bit more of it. And again, this is called Color Fix by DM, but the DM stands for Danessa Myricks. And it's really pretty. This Ballerina color is really pretty. We're just gonna add it to what we've already got going on, because you can never have too much glitter on your eyes. Well, you can, but not today. Not today. I think that looks really pretty. I don't know how much that's gonna pick up on camera, but this Ballerina is a really pretty color. I do like when you can add the same product on your eyes, your cheeks, and your lips, because it just gives it a pulled together look. Now I have some of that iconic sheer peach on my cheeks still, but we're just gonna add a little bit of this on top of it because it should give it a nice highlight right on top of that blush that was already there, and those two together would probably mix really nice. And they're both small enough that you could pack them both in a travel size kit, which the two of those together is really, really pretty. This iconic with this ballerina on top of it. That gives a really nice blush look with a highlighter on top of it. And because the iconic is a little bit more of a matte, it gives a nice dimension to the two colors on top of one another. So I hope that comes through in camera. Those are really, really pretty. And I am doing my own makeup for my wedding, and I think these might be, I wasn't sure what I was gonna do with my cheeks just yet, but that might be my winning combination. And when you pair these two with my favorite, and that's what I have on today, is this Wayne Goss eyeshadow palette, which is his bridal inspired. You guys have seen me do a tutorial on that. But if you add that eyeshadow palette with these two lip and eye and cheek color combo, that might be a home run. Let me know what you guys think, if that would make a nice, pretty bridal look. I will set those aside, and that will be in my travel kit ready to pack. So I'd love to hear what you guys think about if that would make a nice bridal look. So far I think we're batting whatever that is so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're batting 5 for 5. All right, the next product that I picked up, this is a limited edition and it is new and it is $29. It's the Soho Glow collection, the eye crayons from Bobbi Brown. And the 3 colors that it comes in is Dusty Mauve, Golden Pink, and Golden Bronze. And it's, again, $29. I first picked this up because I'm starting to really enjoy the long-lasting wear of eye crayons and the ease of putting eye crayons on. And what I love about Bobbi Brown's eye crayons is that they are paraben-free, sulfate-free, formaldehyde-free, mineral oil-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. So I have enjoyed that, knowing that the product is that free of some of those chemicals that I'm really trying to avoid as I get older and wish I had started a long time ago. So I think working with eye crayons, and you guys let me know in the comment section below if you'd like me to do a tutorial on working with eye crayons, because we're seeing more and more of them come out. Laura Mercier just put out a couple really pretty colors that I picked up. I have not used them yet, so I'm happy to do a tutorial if you'd like one. But I do like how they wear. They're supposed to avoid a lot of creasing, and for aging eyes, I think that is a big selling point for me. I don't really want to put these on top of everything else because I don't think that'll give you a fair, true color payout, but we can still test them and see what they look like. So this first one is Golden Pink. So we're just gonna see what the Golden Pink looks like. And I'm wearing my Victoria Emerson bracelet that I just love because it's so easy to put on and off, and it looks like I put a lot of bracelets on, and I really didn't. I put this one on and then they just snap right off. My hands are too full. And I get so many questions about this bracelet. So I'll put a link down below so that you guys can see where I got it. And it's a super easy clasp, just super quick. And then you just literally just kind of twist it. So I love it because it looks like I put a lot of thought into the variety of the textures and colors. And I have a silvery looking one as well. But I love it because the clasp was just super easy and it's a twist. So anyway, I wanted to highlight that because I just get a lot of questions about this bracelet, and so I'll link it below if you're interested. All right, oh yeah, I was taking it off for a reason because I needed the wrist space. All right, the first one is this Golden Pink. So let's just see if you can really see that. That is really pretty. That Golden Pink color is really pretty. And remember, the crayons are pretty soft, so because I just did that, I just smashed completely the top of it. So note to self, don't do that with the other two, because at $10 a piece, all 3 of them are $29. That makes them $10 a piece. I think they'd make a great either stocking stuffer if you know somebody that would use a variety of these 3 colors, or if you had, you know, girls or friends that you would want to break these up and put them in little stocking stuffers, or some of those little stockings that they have. If you've got coworkers, something like that would be really cute. Or just, you know, put it in a little care package with a sheet mask and a little candle and maybe some nail polish or something. But so far I think 10 bucks a piece isn't a bad price for the size of this, and it's about the size of my finger. So that first one is really pretty. The next one is Dusty Mauve, and that's less shimmery, a lot less shimmery, but it does have a little bit of shimmer to it. That's a really pretty mauve color too. That would be really super pretty for fall. And I just want to try all these on, but it might look crazy, so I won't. But I do want to do a tutorial. So if you guys are interested in a tutorial on eye crayons, let me know. I'd be happy to do that. And then the last one is Golden Bronze. And, ooh, that's really pretty too. That Golden Bronze is really pretty. So you can see it's more of a brown, kind of a golden color. Yeah, it's more like a coffee with creamer. If you can sort of imagine that, that's the color. That would be really pretty in the crease or even under your eye area. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna wanna wear these probably tomorrow. I think I can wear all three of them in the same look, because they're pretty enough to be able to do that. And this ballerina from Color Fix would definitely go good with all of those also. So you could do these on the eye and then this on the cheek and the lip. Probably the cheek, because it's a little bit frosty. And then you could use this on the cheek also and the lip. So those colors would look really pretty together. So I think that's a hit. I think 3 of those for $29. What do you guys think? I think that's a pretty good buy. Again, especially because you can break them up and give them to other people and right around the holidays or birthday gifts or something. So I think we did pretty good. I'm excited to give these a try and see what we come up with some look. I've done an Ulta haul, and some of the stuff from Ulta I just showed you in the video before this one, which was all about that new fruitcake, forbidden fruitcake, which I was really excited about testing, and the colors were fantastic. And then I also got that cinnamon swirl eyeshadow palette that Too Faced has out. It's been out for about 3 weeks now, so it's not new, but the colors are really pretty. Yes, if things look a little bit different, I finished that video and didn't realize that the SIM card was full until I went to edit the video later on today. So my hair is a little flatter. The makeup's probably a little bit worn. And I had my earrings off, but I put them back on just so I could look a little bit more seamlessly through the video. So if you like this type of a video where there's a haul of some of the newer, latest, greatest products, leave me a comment in the comment section below. Hit the subscribe button. I love to have subscribers each and every week, and welcome to the community. And if there's a video that you'd like to see or some product that you'd like to test, I'm always happy to hear what those are and look for new ways to save you guys time, money, and bring you true value. So thanks so much for watching this Sephora haul. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Thanks so much, everyone. Bye-bye.